Magandang umaga po, Pilipinas! You're still watching Agri TV, di ba pa? Mad About Koi, and we are in...
Kois and Ponds Farm Las Piñas.
My name is Mike Hernandez po, with my beautiful wife.
Clase Hernandez at your service.
So, at your service.
Of course.
Talaga naman. So, today, we'd like to share with you bakit po bumabaluktot ang isda.
Yes.
Why do koi bend? First reason would be
genetics. Yeah, because like in wrong culling, kasi like when you start it from, when they're small, usually pag maliit pa lang, deformities is the first koi that you cull, meaning take out. So, makikita mo sa weak bone structure, tinatanggal mo na dapat yun eh. Kasi pag laki nun, it won't improve.
And ito yung glass yung nakita natin, what they're doing in Japan. At ang una po nilang tinatanggal ay yung mga baluktot. No?
Yung mga deformities.
Baluktot na isda, maliliit, parang sinulid to. No?
Yes.
So take out all the deformed koi hanggang sa pagka medyo ganitong size na sila. Ito medyo supposedly dapat wala nang deformed fish dito. So it's a question of nakal ba yung isda o hindi. At napalaking ganan, bakit siya baluktot?
Yes.
So hindi siya nakal nung maliit. And of course, to begin with, pag nagbe-breed yung mga Japanese ng mga kanilang oyagoi, the lesser baluktot na makita nila sa maliit, the more proven yung bloodline na gagawin nila. So the next one, bakit nagiging bent ang koi is
Electrocution. That's why we try to discourage using submersible pumps because all of our ponds are external, so there's less likelihood of accidents for submersible pumps, especially those like you put actually in the pond itself with the koi. There's always some current running around and it will cause bent koi.
which hindi natin nararamdaman yung current na yun, no?
Yes.
Pag nilagay nyo yung tester doon, nag-i-emit siya ng electric charges na naka-apekto sa spine ng isda. So, ergo, in the future, yung maliit na isda o yung malaki, sabi, ba't biglang bumaluktot to? So, electrocution po.
It will come slowly, definitely.
Glass, on to the third topic.
Which is weight loss. Kasi like, especially for bigger koi, mataba sila, and then suddenly you go out of town for a month, pagbalik mo, and they weren't fed on time, the usual feeding, biglang pumayat. The tendency, marami kami nakikita talaga is it gets bent.
And it goes not only for female fish. Yung mga voluptuous body na lalaki, yung lalo na yung mga babaeng talagang magaganda katawan na once po, fasting is just you do it like before a koi show, mga 5 days or yun ang pinakamatagal siguro or the most 1 week siguro.
Yeah.
And then once a month, nagpa-fast po kami ng mga koi natin dito in one whole day. Fasting, sandali lang po. Pero yung starvation is another story.
Yeah.
Huwag po ninyong gugutumin ng koi dahil yung matabang koi, lalaki man o babae, pag nangayayat to, bumabaluktot.
And then the wrong kind of food also kasi if it's high in carbo, like babaksak yung tiyan. So bibigay din yung bone niya. Madideform pa rin siya pag kita mo pag masyado malaki ang tiyan, mabigat eh. And then we go to the next topic which is wrong koi handling.
So pagka po nabuhat nyo at nabaluktot yung isda, pwedeng mabalian.
Oo, pag nabalian, mahirap na ibalik o minsan never. So the lifting, the netting, kung mali yung... So kailangan mag-ingat din eh. You could practice but take care always.
Take care po.
Because there's always the risk na mabent yung koi nyo.
Minsan kasi pag malikot yan, pagka
You never know.
you'll never know, pagka minsan nabalian, dire-diretso na, bent na siya, or nabitawan nyo, pabagsak, worst scenario, baka mamatay pa. Okay, I think, did we cover everything, Glass?
I think so. If
Pretty
you have
much.
any more questions, you could
Call
us up, send a message to Agri TV, what other topics you want to talk about. I'll be more than willing to.
Come by Kois and Ponds, and then next week, Glass, what are we going to speak about?
Bagging the koi for transport.
So,
That's what we're
and this
having
will come in 2 parts.
Yes.
The first one po, yung bagging a koi, paano nyo ibabiyahe. The second one is bagging a koi during
A koi show.
a koi show. Dito po yan sa Agri TV's Mad About Koi. My name is Mike Hernandez with my beautiful wife.
Glessy Hernandez.
Talaga may beautiful.
Of course.
Kita-kits po next week. Salamat po. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.